Okay, all right, guys. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening to everybody. Welcome to another trading room. It's 6 o'clock at the moment. We're going to be going through a couple of things here. Please, guys, let's not construe this as advice. It's good to be with you here this evening. As always, guys, Ashley Reeve here. If you're here for the very first time, a warm welcome to you. A warm welcome to you. It's absolutely wonderful to have you with me tonight. T's obviously not here this week. T will be with you next week. We're finishing this week off strong, and I know T's going to start that one of next week very strong. So if you're in here, good evening. I'll just give the guys another minute or so. Just another minute or so just to come online, and we can obviously kick off and see what's cracking over here. Oh, look at this. Okay. Look at this. Yeah. Okay. Look at this. Good evening. Everybody come up. Apalele. Shout out. Did you see? It's so stubborn. Did you guys see that? My word. Finally, some movement on the AUD USD. It's not out of the woods yet. Look at that NAS. Oh man, it's look at this. We're above, guys. We're above here. Alrighty then. Just gotten into the US 30. I actually didn't see this. Okay, I got in a little bit lower. Okay, good. All right, I'm actually in the US 30 now, guys. Following the hourly chart. Yeah, got in. There we go. All right, I'm already in the US 30 here. I didn't see it. Okay, just a couple more seconds here. Isham, I see you. Transfer, I see you. Tanya, you there? Petunia, you there? King, Malume King. Jules, I see you there. Shirley Shakes. Dr. Ahmad, I see you. Good evening. Brett, I see you there. Are you guys ready? Guys, show a brother some love here tonight. Let's like it. I'm sticking to my words here. Tato said, Ash, ask. There's nothing wrong. It's perfectly natural. So I'm asking, like it, feed the algorithm. Like it. Feed the algorithm. I'm going with what Tato told me. All right. I'm going with it. I'm not shying away from it. He said that's what you do. So that's what I'm doing. All right. So, family, where were we? We have some unfinished business here, right? We had the gold price absolutely stubborn. Look at that. Still has not dropped. Look at this. Now, let me quickly debunk something here. Do you see why you can't believe when someone just says, I make money every single day? Trading one pair. They'll say, I trade the Euro USD every day and I make money. Can you guys see that? How can you believe that if we were trading gold, all right, if we were trading gold the whole day and we were waiting for a drop, how will we possibly make money here? How is it possible to make money if we're trading one pair and it's not moving? I have two areas, 4102, 4119. Both of them have not been breached. Do you guys see that? Both of them have not been breached. If I put on the 5 minute, look at that. That candle is not good enough. Look at that little candle there. First there, and then it doesn't come back. So you cannot make money every single day just from one pair. You got to diversify. So whilst we're waiting on here, look, my NZD USD is pushing up. Are we together? My silver came down for a small little correction, but like I told you, I I've now moved away from it, okay? USD JPY is moving in my direction. You can see it. You guys are no strangers to this. It's moving there. CHF JPY, I'm just waiting for the drop. Look at that. I'm about to get into a bit of profits there, okay? I just went into the US 30. I told you guys I want to go in above 52,561. And I want us to look at the 15-minute candle. Look at that. Beautiful candle. And it went out. Yes, one came back in here, which is obviously a very dangerous one. But this is a very, very distinct level of resistance. So that's the reason why I did it. Now, guys, in the upcoming days and so forth, all right? I see, Ntlakani, you're asking the same question as the other student earlier on. It's not a signal group. We do not say buy, 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 sell, sell, sell. I think you must be new there, Radebe. All right? It's not a signal group. We don't do signals. We don't say, guys, buy now, sell. We trade market structure. The market structure right now is showing that it's bullish. So we are all about education. So there's no such thing at the academy where we just tell people to buy. It doesn't work that way. We don't give advice like that. Are we together? What we do here is we educate the guys. We educate you. All right. And what then happens is at this point in time, many of the guys will already tell you here that there were various buys here. There was a buy there. There was a buy here. There was a buy there. It's just another buy. But we are trading market structure up. So you could have bought here as well. You could have bought there as well. You could have bought here. We trade the market structure. What is the market structure showing us? This is a higher low. The higher low is telling us that after the impulse, we had a correction, we have another impulse, and now we are trading the upside of what has happened at that support. There's divergence here. That's very important. All right? So it's all about education. There we go, Dr. Amor. I'll just say doc. All right? It's all about education. The moment we start saying, and I'm using just Radebe's statement there so that maybe if the next individual maybe sees this, they'll know. The moment we start saying buy, 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 sell, 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 we become like every other signal group. There's no difference then between what we provide here at TD Markets. TD Markets is all about transparency. It's about diversity, yes. And we're transparent in saying that, guys, there's many people out there that provide signal groups. We are not part of that. We don't have anything like that. We have an educational wing, department, the academy within our brokerage, and that is what we provide as a service. All right. So Radebe, nothing personal, my friend. I know many of the other guys that may come on may also have something similar, but that's the way of the community. All right, that we have here. So what's important for us to note now, guys, is that we've seen that there were makings of a stronger dollar possibly today. But you can clearly see that with this movement to the upside, I've gotten into that flow already earlier on. I know Tabatso got in here as well. Who got into this NZD flow to the upside as well? All right. Maybe quickly just put a signal for me there. Signal. Just put a statement or a response there in the chat facility there. If you also in that specific flow there with the NZD USD going up, the GBP, the Euro USD and the AUD hasn't moved like the NZD yet. The AUD is moving now. Look at that. It is moving now, but it's not out of this area here yet. Once it goes up, it's going to be a different story, okay? So is there anyone else that also got into the flow with the NZD USD? Radebe, there we go. Double thumbs to you. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's it. So is there anyone else, guys, that got into the NZD there, that flow there? I'm not so sure. You can let me know there, all right? If you didn't, it's all good. But let's track back. So NZD USD, quickly, we're going up. The gold here has hit that resistance that I showed you guys earlier on, all right? And you can see that we're still at that resistance. I said to you, once it taps there, we're going to possibly linger around here. There's two disruptions here, and that's where the arrows are in the flow. This is an upward flow that has happened from the support, and that's on the hourly time frames. The short time frames have disruptions. Those disruptions come in what? They come in corrections. So we're attempting to trade a disruption in the flow, which is showing us the divergence here. This divergence is showing us that even although the flow is up, there is a bit of a disruption to the downside, and that is what we're attempting to trade. Now, so far from 3 o'clock, there hasn't been any consistency in the closing beneath the 4119.02. Therefore, you're seeing a lot of buyers have actually, it's just been really chaotic in here. This is very chaotic, but again, it hasn't gone past that resistance. Do you see that? So there's definitely pressure from the dollar. The dollar is definitely giving pressure to gold here, all right, in the shorter term. So we want to see if price is going to dip below the 4119, and we cannot use a 5-minute now because the 5-minute rejected. So we have to use a higher time frame, like a 6-minute now. Are we together? 6-minute or a 12-minute? Look at this. Look at that rejection there. So if we can get a candle that closes beneath here, a much higher time frame now, there's a higher probability that we could be going down. All right, the disruption from there to there, or from there to there, and this will be a correction that you see. That is about it. All right, otherwise we are then waiting for gold to break above 4164 to obviously I would like to action the flow up to 4421. All right, I'd like to action this flow here up to 4421, but I need 4164 to break first. So gold is a waiting game at this moment in time. I'm currently in the US 30. Price is giving me a bit of profits right now. All right, I'm looking to go to 52679. I'm currently in profits at the moment, just so you do know. I am in profits. I'm not so sure about the other guys. Tabatso says crushing NZD nicely, beautiful. Very proud there. Very proud. Well done. You can see that, well, I'm not sure who else got into the US 30. Who else got into that flow? Is there anyone else that got into the flow? Quickly let me know there, guys. Anyone else that got into the US 30 flow? We seem to be pushing up now. All right. All right, US 30 in profits. Good. Very nice, Petunia. Guys, remember, you are able to take your profits. All right. At any time, you can take your profits. Even if price doesn't go to 5267, it doesn't matter. That's just a benchmark. It's just a beacon. You don't have to take your profits there. You can take your profits right now if you are happy. It's very, all right. All right, Isham, I'm in US 30. All right, Brett, you as well. Guys, you can take your profits if you'd like. All right, you don't have to stay in all the way up. If you've made money, that's why guys use different volumes. So if you're using 5 lots, standard lot sizes, 10 standard lot sizes, you're making money already. All right, just from 5256 to 5260, you're making money. So please understand that is a reality. All right, so we're pushing up on the US 30. The S&P 500, yes, is pushing up, but you can see it looks different on the 1 hour. Look at the US 30 on the 1 hour, a lot of space to the upside, but the S&P has a lot of resistance here. That's what I'm looking at. So I haven't gotten into the S&P 500. Okay, the US 30 has a lot of space to the upside. You can see it there, but the S&P 500 has a lot of resistance over here. So I'm not in that one over there. The NASDAQ, I have not gotten into that either. I see a lot of resistance. It doesn't mean that it can't go up. I'm trying to trade the path with the least resistance at this point in time. All right, that's a very important point. Also, please watch this level carefully. Watch 52513, and I'll put it there. 52513. That's my limit. If price pushes beneath that area, I will not stay in this trade. All right, are we together? Hope everybody's with me there. Let's quickly see. Let's quickly see, guys. Let's quickly see. Sammy, nice. All right. So 52513, I will not stay in. If price pushes beneath there, I will get out of this trade. All right, then let's go. GBP yen, still waiting for this. All right, still waiting for this here, guys. We're still waiting for this here. It has not dropped yet. It's taking a lot of time. CHF JPY, let's see. I'm still waiting for this one as well. There's not really a lot at this point in time. There's not a lot. Can you guys see that? AUD USD, still waiting for it. Euro USD, we're still waiting for it, guys. It's really nothing at this point. USD Swiss franc, waiting for 0.800. 0.80050. If I can get a push beneath there, it will be great. And then we got the oil price. Hopefully I can come. I might just get what I want here, right, guys? Right, Brett? Look at this, Merrill. It might just come back down to my area. Look at this, $74 a barrel. Are we together? Are you guys with me here? Let's see. Right. That would be good, right? Very nice price there. Then BTC. Nothing here, Sammy. Watch it on this one here. All right. AUD CAD. Still nothing here. I'm in two positions here. I'm waiting for it to drop. I'm waiting for AUD CAD to drop, guys. I've been waiting for it to drop. It's not dropping. Jason, at 3:30, obviously it's not here, but waiting for Euro AUD to push to the upside. Euro CAD, let me actually just take this one off. I'm not going to use that one now. Let me take the Euro CHF. I'm not going to use that one. And then the USD CAD. Look how nice this is, guys. If I can just get a drop below 1.41202. 202, that would be fantastic. I'm waiting for this. It might come tomorrow. All right. And then look at this. We have successfully reached the area there. Can you guys see that? JPN. Look at that. It successfully reached 68,846 points. Exactly at that place there. So can you see, guys, that not all assets are moving in the way we would like them to move? Here we have one index that's moving nicely. You compare it to the NAS or the US 30, it's moving differently. Do you guys see that? Then we got the GBP AUD as well that we're checking out for sell. I'm in here already. I've been waiting for it to drop. It's not dropping yet. All right. It's not dropping yet. We also checked out the AUD NZD and well, this one has now dropped. Look at this. We missed it. Family, we missed it. Look at this. Look at this. How many pips did it move here? It already moved 54 pips. Look at this. We missed it, guys. I totally forgot about this one. I don't know if you guys forgot about it. Someone who asked about AUD NZD. Sammy, was it you? Man, we missed it. Look at this. Guys, look at this beautiful drop. Now, once again, do you guys see FOMO? It's kicking in. That's a miss. And look at the beautiful price action here. Look at that candle. Look at that candle. My word. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. We missed it. It's a very nice drop. Can you see that? 54 pips down. And we were ready. I was ready for it. Look at this. We were ready for it, guys. Okay. Tabazzo, why didn't you remind me, my friend? Why didn't you remind me, buddy? Huh? Why didn't you remind me, T? Look at that, man. Guys, we have to blame Tabazzo here. Can everybody please blame Tabazzo here? Tabazzo, how could you do that to us, man? How could you leave us like that, man? We needed this one. All right. So, guys, as you can see, man, it's pretty quiet, man. The NZD is looking good. We really thought this gold is going to. Look at this, man. Look at the gold, guys. Look at this. It's due for a drop, man. You can see it. Yeah, Tabazzo, we are complaining now, man. Why, Tabazzo, man? Hey, look at this. We could have had such a nice. We could have had the NZD USD as well as the AUD NZD as well. All right. So, guys, this gold looks like it's due for a drop. Please don't be surprised by tomorrow morning when I get with you guys at 9:30. If you see the gold has dropped, please do not be surprised. You can clearly see there's a lot here that should be coming down. There's no proper higher low yet. So please, guys, do not be surprised if you see the gold drop. Don't even panic. Don't even say that you can see it is due for a drop. Is everybody clear on that, guys? Is everybody clear on that? The US 30 is still going up there. If you're in the blues, please, guys, manage your risk very well here. All right. Manage your risk very well here. All right. And then I want to just check out the ASX 200 here, guys. There's really not much going on at this point in time. We're expecting a bit of movement perhaps later on, maybe 10 or 11. And then we could even get some movement later today, meaning in the morning. So let's check out this one first. And guys, what I'm going to be doing as a habit, I'm going to be doing a lot of the either a daily frame, a 4 hour or 15-minute. Okay. I do not want to go as far as a 1 always. Unfortunately, what happens with that is when you go to such a lower time frame, it defeats the bigger context. Okay. So I think that's going to be important. All right. It defeats the context, and I don't want to do that. So the 1 hour here, we can see that there was definitely a drop here. Hold on. There was definitely a drop here. I'm trying to look. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see the bullish. Just give it a bit of time quickly to rearrange itself. Hold on. I think it needs a higher time frame. Give it a bit of time. Did it just arrange itself quickly? Unless it's due for a drop. So if it's due for a drop, the 15-minute. Hold on. Yeah. right, so it seems like it's still a bit bullish here, guys. Yeah, it looks like it's still a bit bullish here. We still got some way to go. Let me just find it here, maybe on the 30-minute. Just trying to find the center. Give me a second, guys. Hold on. Trying to find the center. Excuse me, guys. I'm just trying to find the center here. That's a very important candle. Just taking very long. There we go. Okay. So yeah, we're way above. Look at this. We're way above. We've already gone past the 50. So this is the next area. Right there. All right. Got a break here. Guys, we got a break. Yeah, I'm just trying to find a to the center. There we go. I think I found it. We're already above. Look at that. Yeah, we're already above, guys. Eight 779. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. All right. So this is what we're looking for. ASX 200. Look at that. So the 15 minutes, it's all giving us divergence to the upside. Yeah, there's a lot of, there we go. That's it. You see that? We're waiting for this. So this is the Australian stock market, guys. 91. There we go. All right. So that's what we're looking to. I think I got it. Tabatso, I think you asked, what did you ask there about the US 30? 52679. Remember, it's Tabatso, it's just a guiding light. Okay, you can get out anytime you want. Right there. 52679. There we go. All right. Gold. Yeah, look at that. You guys with me? Let's see here what's happening here. Any news? It's a very quiet evening. Can you guys see that? It's a very quiet evening here tonight. Isham, do you see that? Very quiet evening there, my friend. Nah, it's quiet today. This is it's pure technicals. Let me see what we have here in terms of, yeah, look, tomorrow we only have the CAD, employment change. Let's see if it's there. You see that? We have the CAD. You guys see that? We have the CAD, that's the unemployment change coming out at 2:30. So you guys will see me at 3 o'clock tomorrow. It will be just after 30 minutes after. Do you see that? Forecast 11,000. Unemployment rate, that's the important one there, 6.6%. Will it go higher? Will it go lower? That's what we're looking for tomorrow, okay? That's what, it's very quiet, man. And that's okay, all right? Some days good, some days not so good. But guys, let me ask the question. Are you guys satisfied with the fact that you are seeing this thing in real time? This is what you would do even if I wasn't there. You'd be looking at the charts, waiting just like we're waiting now. I mean, there's literally no difference. I think it's very, very important. All right. Yeah, Tepo, I agree. This week the FOMC was the pinnacle of the week. And this is what happens even if we are not together. So if I go to this next week, let's see what's happening next week. See, next week's going to be crazy. We got the CPI. You see that? We got the CPI next week. Myself and T will be streaming. Are you guys with me? We may just go a little bit earlier with CPI. We'll inform you. All right, we'll inform you. But look at this. CPI next week. We got a lot of CAD next week. We got the core PPI next week. So there's quite a bit happening next week. All right. It seems like the guys are, yeah, a lot of patience, right? Okay, good. So guys, we have one more day left for the week. I think we've had an exceptional week. I think we've had more blues. Where's the guys in the chat facility there? I've had more blues this week. Yes, I took small little reds there, but I definitely had more blues this week. Anyone else there that agrees? Anyone else that has that same sentiment? I definitely had more blues this week. Small little reds, but definitely more blues here. All right. So we're going to finish off strong tomorrow. And then obviously, let's see how the assets perform during the evening. And then obviously during the early hours of the morning, and we take it from there. All right. If there was a little bit more action, I think we would have stayed on a little bit longer. We would have stayed on a little bit longer. There was a little bit more action. It's just really too quiet at this point in time. All right. Everything's just moving. See this one here now. So just watch this very carefully, guys. You can't get out here because if it comes down, you've got to wait again. You can actually get a lower price if it comes down. Okay, so just watch that. I'm still in CHF JPY. I'm just waiting for it. And then obviously the USD JPY, I'm still in there too. So it's just a waiting game right now. All right. Tabatso, you should have told us about that, man. You should have reminded me. Look at this. This is our action. That's the action. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. All right, Sammy, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right, so guys, let's call it for tonight. We're seeing that there is definitely a little bit of a standstill here. Gold is pressing up on the hourlies, but on the lower time frames, it's a little bit uncertain there. Silver's pushing up. The oil price is correcting. We're seeing that some of the currencies like the yen is strengthening a little bit there. GBP yen, CHF yen, USD yen, and so forth. We're seeing currencies like the NZD strengthening a little bit here. And we're watching those major pairs, the AUD, Euro USD, GBP USD. They looks like they are coming out of hiding there. They've been in that consolidation and in that correction for a couple of days. So we're waiting to see how that pans off. All right, pans out. So I'll see you guys at 9:30 tomorrow. That's 9:30 a.m. for London session, and we'll take it from there. All right. Have a fantastic evening, brilliant day. Beautiful week so far. We'll finish off very strong this week. All right. See you guys soon. Ashley Reed checking out. Ciao, ciao.